Hi, it's me again, Dark Wolf. Hey, I'm just here to say I've just broken over Charlie's, Alex, and the other two people. Band Sons of Anarchy. Big fan. They'd love to have a conference, talk to them, probably be in one of their next videos. So if you, Charlie and that, ever see this video, I'm one of your biggest fans. And if you want, you can challenge me like Charlie. Just leave a comment in the bottom and I'll read it. So, ow, 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 ow. Well, Charlie's like one of my best friends on YouTube. I've got most of every single one of his stuff on my favourites. Yeah, I know that sounds weird. I've even tried putting all my clothes on, as you can see. Failed epically. Well, gotta go. Bye.